Don't say, I am agree.
Say, I agree.
Don't say, she is married with a doctor.
Say, she is married to a doctor.
Don't say, I'm playing football good.
Say, I play football well.
Don't say, he don't have money.
Say, he doesn't have money.
Don't say, I look forward to see you.
Say, I look forward to seeing you.
Don't say, I have 25 years.
Say, I'm 25 years old.
Don't say, I lost the bus.
Say, I missed the bus.
Don't say, I went to home.
Say, I went home.
Don't say, I prefer coffee than tea.
Say, I prefer coffee to tea.
Don't say, everyone are happy.
Say, everyone is happy.
Don't say, I am waiting you.
Say, I am waiting for you.
Don't say, listen me, please.
Say, listen to me, please.
Don't say, I need to go to home.
Say, I need to go home.
Don't say, he speaks English good.
Say, he speaks English well.
Don't say, I am afraid from dogs.
Say, I am afraid of dogs.
Don't say, she doesn't listen me.
Say, she doesn't listen to me.
Don't say, you are a very nice person.
Say, you are a very nice person.
Don't say, I have a good news.
Say, I have good news.
Don't say, the people is happy.
Say, the people are happy.
Don't say, I like very much ice cream.
Say, I like ice cream very much.
Don't say, how do you call this?
Say, what do you call this?
Don't say, can you borrow me your pen?
Say, can you lend me your pen?
Don't say, you speak English very good.
Say, you speak English very well.
Don't say, I must to go now.
Say, I must go now.
Don't say, I enjoyed very much the movie.
Say, I enjoyed the movie very much.
Don't say, explain me this rule.
Say, explain this rule to me.
Don't say, I'm thinking to buy a car.
Say, I'm thinking of buying a car.
Don't say, I suggest you to go.
Say, I suggest that you go.
Don't say, one of my friend is here.
Say, one of my friends is here.
Don't say, I visited to my grandmother.
Say, I visited my grandmother.
Don't say, the police is coming.
Say, the police are coming.
Don't say, he is married with a teacher.
Say, he is married to a teacher.
Don't say, I went to shopping.
Say, I went shopping.
Don't say, it depends of the weather.
Say, it depends on the weather.
Don't say, I am interested at art.
Say, I am interested in art.
Don't say, she is good in math.
Say, she is good at math.
Don't say, I made a mistake.
Say, I made a mistake.
Don't say, don't make noise.
Say, don't make a noise.
Don't say, close the light.
Say, turn off the light.
Don't say, open the window.
Say, open the window.
Don't say, open the light.
Say, turn on the light.
Don't say, my hairs are brown.
Say, my hair is brown.
Don't say, the news are bad.
Say, the news is bad.
Don't say, where is the post office?
Say, where is the post office?
Don't say, I came here for study English.
Say, I came here to study English.
Don't say, I didn't saw him.
Say, I didn't see him.
Don't say, did you went to school?
Say, did you go to school?
Don't say, I have seen him yesterday.
Say, I saw him yesterday.
Don't say, she is more tall than me.
Say, she is taller than me.
Don't say, this is the most cheapest phone.
Say, this is the cheapest phone.
Don't say, he is boring.
Say, he is bored.
Don't say, I am very interested in this.
Say, I am very interested in this.
Don't say, me and my friend went out.
Say, my friend and I went out.
Don't say, how does it look like?
Say, what does it look like?
Don't say, thank you for your help.
Say, thank you for your help.
Don't say, please answer to my question.
Say, please answer my question.
Don't say, I entered into the room.
Say, I entered the room.
Don't say, she asked me a question.
Say, she asked me a question.
Don't say, I lack of money.
Say, I lack money.
Don't say, we are four.
Say, there are four of us.
Don't say, it is a high price.
Say, it is expensive.
Don't say, the life is hard.
Say, life is hard.
Don't say, I want that you come.
Say, I want you to come.
Don't say, do you like a glass of water?
Say, would you like a glass of water?
Don't say, I am used to wake up early.
Say, I am used to waking up early.
Don't say, keep the change.
Say, keep the change.
Don't say, same to you.
Say the same to you.
Don't say, I apologize for the delay.
Say, I apologize for the delay.
Don't say, nice to meet you.
Say, nice to meet you.
Don't say, See you later.
Say, see you later.